Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing what's in my everyday drugstore makeup bag. This is kind of a hypothetical situation because I do have a lot of makeup that I've accumulated for a long time. I get a lot of stuff sent to me, of course, but this is the drugstore makeup that I reach for when I'm just trying to do like a simple everyday makeup look. If I could only pick one of each type of makeup product, then these are the items that I would be choosing, purchasing, repurchasing, and keeping in an everyday makeup bag. I wanted to do one of these videos just showing all drugstore makeup, super accessible, very affordable, and then I also want to do one that is on the higher end of the side, so this could also be kind of like a drugstore makeup starter kit, however you want to look at it. And while you're here, you might as well check out my other videos if you have not yet. I do cruelty-free beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos, so if you are into that, definitely check them out and subscribe. Also check out the podcast that I co-host. That will be in the description box below this video as well, and you can follow me on Instagram if you want. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get into what I keep in my everyday drugstore makeup bag. If you've watched my videos for years, then you would actually recognize this makeup bag because I've had it for years. It is my go-to travel makeup bag. It is from the brand Ashley Mary. I think I got it from Marshall's. I like it because it has two compartments so you can separate things. I really like to do this for like face products and then eye and lip products. That's just how I like to organize a makeup bag. This is just like what I gravitate to for everyday makeup, so it's very natural. So the foundation that I chose to put in my everyday makeup bag is from Covergirl. It's the Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. It has coconut milk and aloe extract. It also has a dewy finish. I would say that it's not super dewy. It's not as dewy as a like tinted moisturizer would be, but it definitely has more of that natural finish, which is what I will always go to for an everyday look. And in case you're unaware, Covergirl did go cruelty-free. They're certified by the Leaping Bunny program. I think they did this about a year and a half ago. I do like that this is a lighter coverage foundation that can be built up a little bit, but it is just perfect for every day. I know that I said that if I was only picking one item from each makeup product category, then this is what I would choose. For some things, I'm actually gonna use two products because sometimes you need different shades. I really like these two concealers. The first one is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer. This is what I use underneath my eyes. I don't really use this for covering redness or blemishes because it is on the lighter side. I don't have a lot of drugstore concealers that I like to use underneath my eyes because they're usually on the matte side, and I prefer something that looks a bit more satiny finish, which I would definitely say this is. This one also is a lightweight buildable coverage to conceal dark circles and imperfections, so it is formulated to go underneath your eyes, which I love. And then the other concealer that I use for blemishes and redness, like around my nose or wherever else, I like to use the Flower Beauty concealer. It's the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. I don't really think this is full coverage, but that's why I like it. I really like this for concealing blemishes. It is in a darker tone, so it matches like the rest of my face a lot better than using one that you would conceal underneath your eyes with. Before I went cruelty-free, I used to really love the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and obviously they're not cruelty-free, so I haven't used them for years, but I do think that the Flower Beauty Concealer is very similar to the NARS Radiant Concealer. It dries down to a more satin finish. It's not super matte, but it definitely has like a very natural finish to it. So these two together are awesome. The only other category that I have picked two items in is a face powder. I don't really have a reason for picking two other than I just really like both of them. The first one is from Covergirl. This is the Clean Fresh Pressed Powder. I have this one in the shade Translucent, so it is just a like white powder. I don't think that it looks too opaque or anything, but if you do have darker skin, I would probably go with one of the colored powders that they have because this one could be a little white casty on certain skin tones, but also just go really light with the powder anyways. I really love this one because it is talc free. It also comes with one of these little sponge things for applying if you're on the go, and it has a nice mirror on the inside as well, which is really nice. I've definitely put this in my purse quite a few times whenever I'd be out for a long time and just needed to keep my forehead from getting too shiny. The other powder that I chose is a powder from NYX Cosmetics. It's the hashtag no filter finishing powder. I have mine in the shade Porcelain. I do believe they have a lot of shades of this powder, which might be better if you prefer a colored powder over a translucent one. I feel like NYX always has a pretty awesome shade range for the majority of their products at least. So if you are looking for something that will match your skin tone way more and have a huge variety of colors, definitely check out this one. I love the finish of it. It has basically like the exact same finish as the MAC powders, which I also have not used for years because they are not cruelty free. But I would say this is a like major drugstore dupe for the MAC powders. It even has like the same domed shape and the same finish. It's kind of radiant. It looks like skin. I've definitely used this on a lot of people, like when I do friends' makeup. This product is just like, it's great. I really don't have any complaints about this. This next product is something that I would definitely choose if I had to just pick one item to go into my bag, because it is like a 3-in-1 situation with a blush, bronzer, and highlighter. This is from Covergirl. It's the TruBlend Serving Sculpt palette. This shade is called Bloom Babe. I think it looks really great in the summer. I love these like coral shades for the summer. It looks really great with a tan. I feel like this formula is also very like silky. I like the tone of the bronzer. It's fairly neutral, but I would say that it is more on the warm side, but in a nice like flattering warmth to actually bring some life into your skin. I would use it definitely more as a bronzer, not as just contour. Since that highlighter in that palette is more on the pink side, which I don't always go to for highlighters, I wanted to add something more neutral in here that would go with a lot of different types of makeup looks and colors. So I added the Ulta Beauty Face Sculpting Color Stick. This color is so pretty. I think it's literally just called Highlight, and it's more of a like champagne neutral color, but it is very easy to blend out, and I think it looks beautiful, natural, and glowy. For eyebrow products, I have been really loving the Jason Wu eyebrow pencil. This one is in the shade, I think, medium brown. I've talked about it a couple times in my videos, but it is a super skinny eyebrow pencil, and on the other side it has a spoolie. The tone of this eyebrow pencil is so perfect. It is that universal taupey shade that isn't too light. A lot of taupe shades are on the lighter side, and I just really like this one. I feel like it goes perfect with my brow color. My next eyebrow product is probably no surprise at all. It is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel. I've talked about this product since I started my YouTube channel. I think it's $2.99 at drugstores, and you cannot go wrong with it. You can use this on your eyelashes as well, of course, if you just want to keep a curl and you're going for like a no makeup look. It's super easy, versatile. I love this. It's also great for like flyaways in your hair too. There's so many uses for a clear brow gel. Now for eyeshadow, I decided to go super simple, very neutral, can work for every single day. So it's another Jason Wu Beauty product. This is the Flora eyeshadow palette in the shade Matte Agave. I think there's 3 eyeshadow palettes, and they're all very like similar, natural, neutral colors. I think they look really pretty. The formulas are awesome. It is seriously like the most perfect neutral eyeshadow palette. And the formula is nice, creamy, and silky, and it's very easy to blend out. I also love this brand because I believe it is a clean beauty brand, and of course, cruelty-free. This brand is like slept on YouTube for some reason. I don't know why. I hardly ever hear people talking about the Jason Wu Beauty brand, but it is seriously amazing. You can buy it online on their website. They ship to Canada. You can also buy this in Target in the States. So please go check it out. Like, there's a lot of awesome things in this line. And for mascara, I of course added my favorite drugstore mascara at the moment. This is the Covergirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. I think you might be seeing a little bit of a theme here that I like to also add in as much clean beauty as I can. I don't remember if I mentioned this or not, but everything that I'm talking about in this video is what I used to do my makeup today. So I am wearing the Covergirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. I find that it is a really great classic fail-proof formula and brush. I actually reach for this all the time, whether I'm doing a drugstore look or not. It is just a really great mascara. And now the last products in my everyday drugstore makeup bag are 2 lip products. I added 2 in here because I don't usually wear just lipstick. I lately have liked to wear a lip liner and then a lip gloss on top. I feel like lip liner is more of a matte waxy formula, so it does last quite a bit of time, especially the one that I'm going to talk about. This is also from NYX. It is now a little mini lip liner pencil because I have actually had this for a very long time and I recently just started using it again. It's literally just one of the like simple lip liner pencils that you sharpen, and this one is in the shade Nude Beige. It is literally the most perfect nude beige lip liner. It's also a great shade to wear underneath other lipsticks, of course, but it's just one that I've been using on its own for the last like 2 months probably, so I just really like this one. And then over top of it, my favorite drugstore lip gloss at the moment is from Catrice Cosmetics. It's the Powerful 5 Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Lychee or Lychee Glaze. It's a really beautiful, pale, neutral pink, and it has little tiny shimmers in it which are not super noticeable. It is by no means chunky glitter. It is very fine shimmer, and it looks so great on your lips on its own. So even if you're not wearing like a lipstick or lip liner underneath, it just looks really pretty. This lip balm or lip gloss does have hyaluronic acid in it, vitamin E, shea butter, green tea, and goji berry. So it's got some nice little ingredients in there. It's also vegan, and I've just really been enjoying it. It's also, again, another very versatile, like sheer, pretty, flattering lip gloss color. And that is it for all of the makeup products that I have in my everyday drugstore makeup bag. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also let me know if you do want to see the high-end version of this, and I will share some of my favorite everyday high-end makeup products. And if you still have not subscribed to my channel, definitely click that subscribe button and check out my other videos, and check out all the links to all the other stuff that I do in the description box below. As always, I hope you are all having an amazing day, and if it's not an amazing day, then I hope tomorrow is. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!